We're going to create this meditation now for positive communication using the sounds huddy, hud. Huddy 6 times, hud, and we're going to do it 5 times on one exhale. So this is my right hand. I'm going to rest it in the back of the right hand in the palm of the left. Now I'm going to take my left thumb and put it inside the palm of the right, and then my right thumb is going to cross over. Now I'm going to hold my hand so that my right hand is pointing downward, and then my left hand is just cupped around the back of the right hand. All right, I think you can see that fairly clearly. The elbows are up high and their eyes are closed. All right, once we're in this mudra, we want to sit tall. Let's take some nice deep breaths, and we're going to chant Huddy 6 times, 1 long exhale. All right, so we're going to do this for about 3 minutes. This again is for positive communication. This is for your communication to start to have manifestation abilities and qualities. And if you're wanting to really achieve something and have something come in, practice this meditation. With 11 to 31 minutes is the required or the recommended time. All right, never go over 31 minutes, but you could do up to 11. We're going to do 3 minutes today. Huddy, 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 hud, 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 huddy, 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 hud. Huddy, 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 hud, 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 huddy, 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 hud. Huddy, 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 hud, 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 huddy, 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 hud. Huddy, 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 hud, 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 huddy, 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 hud. Inhale, hold the breath, hold the mudra, hold the posture, press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, and relax, and shake the hands out. Shake, shake, shake. So that one's challenging. It's challenging to do that 5 times on one breath, and you do it in a monotone, and just keep up. That's a mantra that we have in this system. Just keep up and you will be kept up. So I'm happy that I was able to come in and share my practice with you today as far as solving communication problems, because I really do feel that there's a lot of miscommunication on the planet right now. And hopefully this will help you to be clear with your communication. Say what you mean and mean what you say, and say it with a smile, and deliver it from your heart, and have your heart over your head, and follow your intuition.